Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum paste. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh galangal, about 2 inches, 2 stalks of lemongrass, and 4 kaffir lime leaves. Also, prepare 10 dried chilies, 3 shallots, and 5 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now, let's prepare our aromatics. Begin by thinly slicing your 2 inches of galangal, 2 stalks of lemongrass, and 4 kaffir lime leaves. Next, soak your 10 dried chilies in warm water for about 10 minutes until they are soft. Once softened, roughly chop the chilies, 3 shallots, and 5 cloves of garlic. Finally, lightly toast these prepared aromatics in a dry pan for a few minutes to enhance their flavor. It's time to blend our delicious paste. Transfer all your toasted aromatics into a food processor. Add 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Begin blending and gradually add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. This process usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your tom yum paste is perfectly blended, transfer it into an airtight container. You can store this fresh paste in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For extended freshness, consider freezing it in small, individual portions. It will last for several months. When you're ready to enjoy, simply use 1 to 2 tablespoons of paste per serving of soup for an authentic, flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.